Now let's learn about the property panel. And to do this, open the sample file abc beam demo file-01. I have the link in the description. And with the file opened, let's learn about the property panel. Directly above the project browser is the property palette. As the name suggests, it displays the properties of the selected items or elements in Revit. For example, if I select any element on the screen, I can view and modify the element's property from the property palette. Let's select one of the walls, for example, and change its height to 3 meters. I will select the other wall and change the wall type from a solid wall to a glass-based wall. I will also change its height to 3 meters. The property palette is also a contextual palette. That is, the content changes based on the elements that is selected. For example, I will change the selection to the desk. You can see that the information relating to the desk is now displayed on the property palette. I will change the selection to the window, and you can see properties relating to the windows is also displayed. With the window selected, I can now change the sill height and head height of my window. In this case, I will change the sill height to 0.9 meters.